I'm Angela from SpinachTiger.com, cooking big, fat, healthy food. Today I'm making a remake of my favorite Christmas cookie, the Pecan Tassie, and I'm going to do it with almond flour and swerve to make it sugar-free and grain-free. So let's get started. I've got 2 cups of almond flour, 4 tablespoons each of butter and cream cheese. Cream cheese is kind of the secret in this cookie. Some powdered erythritol. I'm using swerve. I'm gonna whip this up right now. Now that I can tell that it's almost completely done, I'm gonna add in the orange extract just for that extra little Christmas kick. Okay, this gets refrigerated for about an hour, and then we will make the Pecan Tassies. Okay, so we're back making the filling for the Pecan Tassies. The dough is in the refrigerator chilling. Now I've taken 3/4 of the cup of pecans and I've chopped them fairly fine. You could use a little food processor for this part if you wanted. And then I left some just a little more coarsely chopped. Really want to get this as fine as you can without it being almond butter, or pecan butter, I should say. Okay, so then we take all of this, put this in a bowl with our brown sugar, and since this is low carb, I'm going to use Swerve's new brown sugar, which I just love. Mix that up really good together, and then add our eggs. And this becomes the delicious pecan filling. Makes it like a little pecan pie. And now we're going to put the dough in the little tins. One thing I forgot is I like to add in at least a tablespoon of cinnamon. It just gives that extra delicious flavor. Okay, so I've rolled my dough into 24 little balls. The way I did that is I figured how much each one would weigh. So I weighed it and then divided by 24. I find 2 fingers really helps. 1 finger makes it a little bit uneven. Okay, now what we do, simple, we get our filling. Use a little teaspoon. Really, you're not going to need much. Put your teaspoon. You can come back and add more if you have any left over. And it's kind of like a healthy, generous teaspoon. Well, it looks like I have a little bit left over. Even if it goes over the dough, that's going to be totally fine because it's going to harden up as it bakes. So I'll just try to use all of this up. I'm going to put some pecans over it. Perfect. And now we bake 350 for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes for baking, and then I let them cool completely. And take a little knife around each one because you don't want them to stick. And then we have the perfect cross between a cookie, a muffin, and a pecan pie. Perfect. So you can see what they look like, and it can taste the orange. These are addicting, so be careful. Oh, that is one delicious Christmas cookie bite. Thank you for coming to SpinachTiger.com, cooking big, fat, healthy food, and don't forget to subscribe because I really do appreciate it.